In today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at this weekend's Yeezy drop. So we have the 700 V1 Sun. So we're gonna do a complete in-depth review. I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts and opinions, and we're gonna do a comparison. How do these stack up to the OG Wave Runners? What's good, guys? It's JA. If y'all are new here on this channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, but stay tuned for today's new video because it's coming right up next, y'all. So what's good, guys? What's going on, everybody? Salute. Appreciate everybody for pulling up for today's new video. We got this weekend's upcoming drop, the 700 V1 Sun. I've been anticipating this pair for a long time. We didn't receive any Yeezy 700 V1s nor 700 V2s all of 2020. So it's only right that Yeezy brought back this now iconic silhouette, one of the more recognizable Yeezy models within the brand. Now, when I first saw samples of these guys, they actually came via Ye, which from time to time when he gets active on Twitter, you guys will see him leaking a whole bunch of stuff. And it's dope because what it does is it kind of gives you a foresight. It kind of lets you know what the brand has in mind and what to expect in the future. So we saw these Sun joints. When I first saw them, they looked like a dyed version of the Wave Runner. So that was a great start. Definitely was a big fan of the colorway and really excited to check these out in hand, guys. So let's check them out. We're gonna do an on feet. We're gonna talk about these joints, and then we're gonna do a little comparison versus the Wave Runners because it's only right? So first thing you guys will notice on this sneaker, well, the first thing I noticed was, of course, the laces. From leaked images, they appeared to be white, but couldn't really tell. So I'm gonna let you guys know right offhand that the laces are actually a light gray color. So dope touch in my opinion, guys. The sole of this sneaker is just that bright orange. I would say to describe it to a T, more of a tangerine orange. It actually matches the drips that were made iconic from the OG Wave Runner. So the sole is crazy. The black that you guys see here is suede, and I believe that is exactly the same as the OGs. Of course, you've got this like teal blue, this like green color, and then the toe cap area is suede, so it's gonna be that mustard yellow. Of course, you got leather on the upper, again in that mustard. So OG Wave Runner vibes. Actually, just right here from the tongue, confirmed as well by Steven Smith, Yeezy designer. You have no more straps that hold down the tongue. In my opinion, that was a better move. Some people felt like the straps were better because it like supported the tongue and kept it in the middle. But for me, it just kind of made the shoe fit a little more tighter and just wasn't a benefit overall. So yeah, these joints are absolutely crazy. So of course you got the yellow dyed look to it going on with the orange tangerine sole. But one of the best features of this sneaker, guys, is that they kept the blue and the green black vibe going on that keeps it really close to the OG Wave Runner. So I'm a huge fan of that. Now, as you guys know, the Yeezy 700 V1 Sun has a new MSRP retail price of just $240, which is about a 20% decrease from the OG 700s. As you guys know, those joints retailed at $300 US. So it's a great benefit for us as a consumer. So when designing a shoe, sometimes the most expensive part is the designing process where you go through countless amounts of samples. Sometimes it could get a little expensive to make a sneaker. So over the time, now that they have perfected this design, it seems like Adidas was able to bring down the MSRP price to that $240. So props to Adidas, props to Ye. They didn't have to do that. Most companies would just continue to be greedy and just eat off their consumers, but it seems like they do actually kind of somewhat care about the consumers. The lower retail price is definitely a great benefit. The only downside to it though is that due to the fact that it has a lower retail price, guys, more resellers are gonna be out for these joints just due to the fact that it's cheaper and there's a little bit bigger of a margin for them to make money. Now, in terms of the stock number on these guys, as y'all know, Yeezy, they've been playing the game with limited availability at first. Then in more recent years, they've continued to drop higher stocks, making their sneakers more accessible to the public. So for me, I would say that this sneaker would fall kind of right in between. Not super limited, but not massively wide produced like say the 350s. So if you want to get this sneaker, definitely do your homework, guys. There are several raffle links available. There, you guys are gonna want to definitely register via the Adidas Confirm app. Then you've got the, of course, Yeezy supply drop. So this sneaker is gonna be in high demand due to the colorway actually being very appealing. And we haven't had a 700 V1 in a while. And now that people are more comfortable with this silhouette, it's actually become more in demand than one of the more recognizable Yeezy models. So I'm a huge fan of these joints right here, guys. This is a great sneaker. If you guys don't have any 700 V1s, you gotta get these. And if you already do have the 700 V1, you gotta get these. Even if you have the Wave Runners, you gotta get these just because of course they got the yellow vibe going on, they got the orange. It's just so stylish, and this sneaker is gonna be crazy going into the summertime. Definitely got that good spring summer vibe going on, if you guys know what I'm saying. So with the lower retail price, some people assume that Yeezy brand would actually the quality would deteriorate, but I'm here to confirm to you guys, trust me, the quality is still up to par. It's still that same great Yeezy quality that you would expect on this pair. My pair that I have here is flawless, so I don't have a large sample range to tell you guys from, but it looks great. These do feature full boost. So some people were thinking with the lower retail price that maybe they wouldn't feature boost, but we can dead that right now. They do have full boost. So this is just a great sneaker overall, guys, and you guys gotta get these joints, trust me. So we're gonna do a little side by side next to the OG Wave Runners. And I didn't even notice, guys, that they're using that kind of like bamboo, like paper-like string here that we've seen on some of the more recent releases. So dope touch, environmental friendly. In terms of sizing on these joints, guys, in my opinion, the 700 V1 runs true to size. Now, if you guys prefer a more loose fit, or let's say maybe you have a wider foot, you're gonna wanna half size up. Most people say to half size up, but I go true to size on mine. So, you know, do what you think is best. Now, let's check them out next to the Wave Runner joints, yo. So dope. As you guys see, they do feature, like I mentioned, the same green, the same blue. And then the noticeable differences, of course, you got the yellow versus the gray. And then on the sole of the sneaker, tangerine orange versus the white. So really dope, guys. It's almost like a consolation prize for the OGs, but they're so different that they have their own story. So if you already do own the OGs, you gotta pick these up. Plus, your OG pair might be a little dusty, it might be a little beat. So this is definitely a great new sneaker to add to the collection. So I'm in love with these guys, and y'all know I don't like every Yeezy, but these ones are a must. You know what, guys? If these dropped last year, they would probably be up for one of the best Yeezys of the year, gotta say it. But we'll give you guys an updated opinion, you know, as I wear these. So these joints are crazy, man. Let me know what y'all think about these joints in the comments. Are you guys gonna be picking these joints up Saturday? Are you passing? Just let me know your overall thoughts and opinions, man. So salute. Appreciate everybody for tuning in, guys. Make sure y'all sub up to the channel. We do have a mystery box coming from Cam's Kicks. Of course, I still got a full detailed review of the 350 Ash Blues, and you guys know more early Yeezys to come, more reviews, and I may even do a how to style. Let me know if you guys want to see a how to style for the 700 Sun joints. So salute, guys. I'm JA. Stay safe, stay blessed. I'm out, y'all.